Anybody who's spent time in the southwestern states knows that one of summer's biggest weather hazards, besides heat, is actually flooding. In fact, here in Las Vegas, we have an extensive history of flash flooding, both within the city itself and in the surrounding desert region. These hazards exist year-round, but are most prevalent during our summer monsoon season, which extends from June through September. Think a flash flood can't affect you? Think again. There's many ways that floodwaters can affect you directly. Do you know how to respond if a flash flood warning is issued? Let's check out some of the biggest flash flood danger zones and learn a little bit more about how you can stay safe.
During monsoon season, thunderstorms can develop rapidly. It may look like a beautiful day for a hike or to set off on a camping expedition, but walls of water can sweep through these desert canyons in a flash, even from rain that's falling many miles away. That's why it's important to stay weather aware when planning outdoor activities during monsoon season. Always check the forecast before going out and keep an eye on conditions throughout the day, especially if clouds are building. When hiking, be aware of possible escape routes, and in the event of a flash flood, seek higher ground immediately. Another tip is carefully choosing overnight campsites away from dry washes or streams. These areas can flood suddenly, and choosing a campsite on higher ground will keep you safe in the event of a late night flash flood.
Dry washes and drainages are abundant in our desert landscape. Even in the city, washes and detention basins zigzag through our parks and neighborhoods, ultimately designed to keep water out of our homes and roadways. But for the same reasons, washes are dangerous. The park behind me makes for wonderful hikes and outdoor recreation, but can quickly become dangerous when floodwaters strike. Let's take a look at what happens to dry basins following heavy rainfall. As you can see, these channels fill rapidly with raging water. These floodwaters can sweep anyone and anything in their path. That means parents need to educate their children on the hidden dangers of local washes and detention ponds.
Another common way people are impacted by floods is by driving right into them. In fact, the behavior was so problematic that Arizona passed a law in 1995 called the Stupid Motorist Law, making it illegal to drive around barricades and into flooded roadways. While the dangers may seem obvious, the depth and the speed of the water current aren't always obvious. Because did you know it only takes 6 inches of flowing water to knock you off your feet, and only about 1 foot to wash away a small car? So please, don't take any chances. When in doubt, turn around, don't drown.
Flash flood dangers claim nearly 100 lives each year, but they don't have to. Remember these tips we discussed to stay safe.
Always check the forecast before hiking or camping.
Be aware of the dangers of dry washes.
And turn around, don't drown.
And remember, meteorologists are working 24/7 monitoring the conditions to keep you safe. Thanks for watching.
We hope you stay flood safe this summer.